Assalamualaikum friends. My name is Munib and today we are going to discuss about the Originate coin. It's a big and great project. So this coin is a new blockchain crypto coin and it is based on the robust ERC20 Ethereum technology. ORC coin is mainly designed for the trading with all major currency exchanges. ORC coin is a low risk coin and the investor or owner can control their own coin balance easily in a private and secure way. ORC coin transaction is to be decentralized. This is the white paper of the ORC coin, so just click on that and you will find this. So you can read more about this coin on the white paper, and also you can chat with their ORC technology ORC coin team. Just click on here. So this is the pre-sale open, 3 days 7 hours and 31 minutes are left, so just check out this. So pre-sale price is 1 Ethereum is equal to, you will get 1250 ORC coin. It's a easy way to buy the ORC coin. Just click on this link and this is the address. Then you just click on the buy token and you will find this type of form. Just fill the form, your name, your country, your ERC20 wallet. This is depend on you that you will send Ethereum or BTC to send them. Okay, these are the two ways through you can buy the ORC coin. So just put the ETH or blockchain payment transaction hash link, and then here sending BTC or ETH amount which you will send them to buy the ORC coin. Just upload your national ID card or passport or driving license, front page and back page. Upload your documents here. Okay, just click on add file and submit the documents, and then click on submit. So when they confirm your transaction, they will send your coins your ERC20 wallet. So now we are going to discuss what is this coin. You can read that what is this coin. I already told that it's a blockchain cryptocurrency based robust ERC20, and the main thing of this coin is sending and receiving the Originate coin is so easy, and you will receive these coins so much fast. Like if someone send 500 ORC coins to another person, so just in 30 seconds he will receive the coins. The transaction is so much fast and this is so much secure coin. So now we are going to see the referral system of this. So if you want to earn 100 free ORC coins, so you will need almost 500 ORC coins. Like if you refer anyone person, you will get 5 ORC coins. If you invite almost 100 persons, friends or family members, so you will receive almost 500 ORC coins and its value almost $100. It's a big project, so you can join that here. So now this is the token sale stage. Pre-sale June 21st 2021. It is equal to 1250 ORC coin, and almost 1 million ORC coins. It's up to 20% bonus. ICO July 22 2020 start. So it is equal to 2050 ORC coins, and the bonus is up to 15%. Almost 2 million ORC coins. So August 21st to September 22 2020 IO started, and the one it is equal to 1250 ORC coins up to 10% bonus. 3 million ORC coins are here. So this is the token structure. Token name Originate coin and symbol is ORC decimal 18, almost 500 millions. Limitation of the token price is very good, you can check that, $0.2. And secure way, if you want to purchase the coin, the secure way is Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance BNB coin. So hard cap is almost $1 million. So this is the distribution community, almost 60%, 20% reserve funds, and also 9% founder and team, and like this advertiser 5%. Total bounty and airdrops are 6%. So this is the soft cap budget allocation, 27% almost product development, and also 39% marketing, sales, merchant, and like this 12% operations, 6% legal, and 16% management. So this is the roadmap of the Originate coin. So November to December 2019, and you can also read all of these instructions here. So now we are going to check out the team of the ORC coin. So this is the team of ORC coin, and these are the LinkedIn link of these persons, the team members. So you can also contact them on LinkedIn, and these are the advisor of this coin. So you can also contact them on LinkedIn. So these are the profile links of these persons. So you can also contact them on social media links. These are the social media links. So guys, now we are going to discuss something about new about the bounty of this ORC coin. So you can also find the bounty link in the description. So guys, almost 1 million coins are going to distribute in this bounty. So guys, just join this. Almost 1 month is the total period of this bounty. So and soon this coin is listed on Windex. Windex is a great exchange. So this is the bounty details. Bounty managed by the crypto. So you can also contact with him and ask about the bounty, and also you can join. So you can also read the bounty launch 7 July 2020 and run until 3 August. So 3 August is the final date. The bounty is finished on that time. So this is the website, and also we read about the website. So all participants must join Originate coin group. The group joining is must. Okay, and after that you must have to join this group, the crypto bounty group. So submit your proof of authentication here. So forum username, forum profile link, telegram profile link, participated campaign, and ERC20 wallet address. Bounty allocation, so Twitter almost 30%, 300,000 ORC coins. Same to same, Facebook 30%, 300,000, and translation 15%, telegram 14%, article air blog 7%, almost YouTube 4%, 40,000 ORC coins. Bounty schedule, these are the dates of the bounty schedule. So from today the bounty start. This is the master sheet, so you can check that. If you are going to apply for the bounty like Twitter campaign, any type of campaign, Twitter, Facebook, Telegram, or translation, so you can check your name here. So after that we are going to see the Twitter campaign, almost 30%. So you must follow this page, and then you must almost 250 followers. Okay, and the account must be 3 months old. So that is allowed for this campaign. 90% Twitter audit scores, and you need real 90% followers. Okay, so you must like and retweet 5 posts in a week. Okay, and then you must make minimum 5 retweets weekly. Just so you are not allowed to tweet more than one per day. So rewards: 250 followers, 2 stacks per week, and 2000 followers, 5 stacks per week, and also like this 4000 followers, 8 stacks per week, and more than 5000 followers, 10 stacks per week. So this is the registration form. So guys, this is the form of Twitter campaign. So you must fill this form. Okay, so this is the forum username, and now profile link, forum profile link, and then proof of authentication link, and here you can put your Twitter profile link, and this is the Twitter audit link. Okay, so you must to click on the followers option. So how many followers you have, 4,000 5,000 plus 250 plus almost, it depends on you. And then you must to put your ERC20 wallet address, and then just click on submit option, and you are going to participate in the Twitter campaign. Like this you must to fill all other forms like Facebook translation, etc. So when the first week is completed, then after that you must to make this type of weekly report format. So you must to write here forum username, okay, Twitter profile link, and then sheet number, and then retweet the retweet and like links. So 1 2 3 up to so on up to 5. So like this you can also join the Facebook campaign 30% ORC coin, so 250 friends, and also need 3 months old Facebook account. Unlike this reward, these are the 250 friends and 2000 and 4000 and also up to so on 5000 friends, 10 stacks per week. So registration, this is the registration form, and you must to complete this to join the bounty campaign. And also this is the form of Facebook, so you must to complete when the, so this is the Telegram campaign. You must to read about all the rules of the Telegram campaign, and this is the registration form, and also you can fill this form when the week is end. So this is the translation campaign, you can read that, and also this is the registration form, and these are the languages in which you can translate the white paper and also the website translation. So this is the article and blog. You can also write the article and blog if you use the 5 graphics. This is the excellent stacks and almost 3 graphics. This is the good stacks and almost 3 good 3 stacks. Use minimum 1 graphic. So graphic you need to must use almost 3 graphics. So I think this is good for you for your article, and almost 600 character you must to write, okay. And you must to use this link and also this hashtag for your every post. So the YouTube campaign, you must to make a video almost 5 minutes minimum in length, and you must to put the link this, use the link this, and project detail and body thread link in the description, and also use this hashtag. So 300 views, 75 views, normal quality, good quality 6 stacks, and 10 stacks 300 plus views. So this is the registration form, you can fill that when you want to join. I hope so you like the video. Kindly subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon if you want to join more airdrops and bounties. See you, bye bye.